Bear, you didn't have, don't tear it up. Get up off of it.
Oh my God!
Just pick it up what's left and come on. Come on, get it together. You can think faster than that. Get back up here where it's smooth. Come on, Bear. Come on, Bear. Get up here where you're supposed to be. Now get over there where it's smooth. And get a go at it. Make sure you got a hold of it good and get a go at it. Pull that paper up. Okay, now get it. Hit it. Go. You ain't holding on to it. Oh, y'all gonna tear it up before you ever even get back up here. You won't do it like I tell you.